Welcome to Beautyistic. In today's review, we're diving into the Phomemo M08F wireless tattoo transfer stencil printer, a versatile thermal tattoo machine designed for both tattoo artists and beginners. This compact wireless printer promises to make your tattooing process easier, more efficient, and hassle-free. Let's explore whether this product lives up to its promises. The Phomemo M08F is a tattoo-specific wireless stencil printer that stands out thanks to its lightweight design, weighing in at just 2 pounds, about 60% smaller than traditional tattoo transfer machines. Whether you're a tattoo artist on the go or a beginner looking for convenience, the portability of this printer makes it an attractive option. It features a built-in rechargeable battery, allowing you to work without the hassle of being tethered to a charging cable. This is a huge plus for anyone looking to move around freely while working on clients or setting up in different spaces. When it comes to compatibility, the Phomemo M08F impresses with its wide-ranging device support. Whether you're using a smartphone, tablet, laptop, or desktop, this printer works seamlessly across multiple operating systems, including Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS. So no matter what device you prefer to design on, it's got you covered. The Phomemo app takes it a step further by allowing for one-click printing of images and documents. The app's scanning function is particularly useful for tattoo designs, making it simpler than ever to create your stencils without worrying about complicated setups. I've used this printer with several designs, and the inkless printing technology is a game changer. Thanks to its advanced thermal technology, the M08F prints clear, precise patterns and lines without the mess or hassle of ink-related issues. No more dealing with clogged ink cartridges or cleaning messes, just crisp, clean prints that are ready to transfer to skin. This feature alone makes it ideal for professional tattoo artists who need consistent quality in their stencils. As for the printer's performance, the Phomemo M08F really shines in terms of convenience and ease of use. The built-in 1200 mAh rechargeable battery lets you print up to 140 pages of light-colored images or text on a single charge. This impressive battery life means you can handle multiple tattoo sessions without constantly recharging. And as a bonus, the kit includes 10 sheets of tattoo transfer paper so you can get started right away. So what are the pros of this product? First, its portability and wireless design make it a breeze to carry and use anywhere. The Phomemo app simplifies the printing process, and the inkless thermal printing technology ensures that your stencils are always clear and precise. Plus, the long-lasting battery life is a big win for busy tattoo artists. As for cons, the biggest drawback might be that it's not a traditional tattoo printer, which some experienced tattoo artists might initially find unusual. However, with some practice, this printer can quickly become a valuable tool in any tattoo artist's arsenal. In comparison to similar tattoo transfer machines, the Phomemo M08F is both more compact and affordable, making it an excellent option for anyone looking to get started without investing in bulkier, pricier machines. While traditional models might offer more features, the M08F hits a sweet spot in terms of functionality, price, and ease of use for both beginners and professionals alike. Is it worth the money? If you're someone who needs a reliable, portable, and hassle-free tattoo stencil printer, the Phomemo M08F is definitely a great value for the price. The included transfer paper, long battery life, and easy setup make it well worth the investment, especially considering how much time and effort it saves compared to traditional methods. Let's talk about build quality. The M08F is built with durability in mind, though it's lightweight, ideal for anyone looking to travel or work in different locations. It feels sturdy enough for everyday use, and the thermal technology reduces any wear that ink-based printers might encounter. As for user-friendliness, this product excels. The Phomemo app makes the setup process quick and intuitive, and it's easy to print designs directly from your phone or laptop. There's little to no learning curve, making it accessible even for those new to tattooing. Regarding customer support, Phomemo offers helpful assistance for any issues that may arise. Although I didn't encounter any major issues, reviews suggest that their response time and solutions are timely and effective. In real-world testing, I found the M08F to perform excellently with various types of tattoo designs, whether for temporary tattoos or for more detailed permanent stencils. The ease of use and precise printouts make it ideal for quick stencil transfers, especially for those who value efficiency in their workflow. Since this product doesn't rely on ink, there aren't any major updates or changes that would affect its functionality. However, if Phomemo releases any future updates to their app or hardware, it could make this product even better. Final verdict. The Phomemo M08F wireless tattoo transfer stencil printer is a standout option for both tattoo professionals and beginners. It's affordable, portable, and easy to use, making it an excellent addition to any tattoo studio or for anyone just starting their tattoo journey. If you want a printer that's efficient, mess-free, and built for the job, I'd highly recommend giving this one a try. This product is perfect for tattoo artists looking for a compact, portable solution, or beginners wanting to simplify their tattoo design process. If you're still on the fence, there are some cheaper alternatives out there, but the Phomemo M08F offers a solid balance of price and performance that's hard to beat. If you're enjoying this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss a review from us at Beautyistic. Thank you for watching today's review. You can find the link to purchase the Phomemo M08F wireless tattoo transfer stencil printer in the description box below. Feel free to drop any questions you have about the product, or if you already own one, let me know how it's worked for you. We love hearing your thoughts.